This is the Proctor Compaction Test. It is performed to determine the optimum moisture content and maximum dry density of soil for construction works. First, the soil sample is prepared by breaking lumps and removing oversized particles. The sample is then sieved according to standard requirements. A measured quantity of water is added to the soil and mixed thoroughly to achieve uniform moisture distribution. The empty mold with base plate is weighed and recorded before compaction begins. The mold is filled with soil in layers. Each layer is compacted using a standard rammer with specified number of blows. The process is repeated for all layers, ensuring uniform compaction energy is applied throughout the sample. After compaction, excess soil is trimmed level with the top of the mold. The mold with compacted soil is weighed and recorded. A sample of compacted soil is taken to determine moisture content by oven drying. The test is repeated with different moisture contents. Dry density values are calculated for each trial. A compaction curve is plotted. The peak point represents the maximum dry density, and the corresponding moisture content is the optimum moisture content. The Proctor Compaction Test helps ensure proper soil compaction for roads, foundations, and earthworks, improving strength and stability.